Hey guys, we received this Vesgantti 3-inch queen mattress topper for test and try. So this one is a really like a memory foam with a gel memory mattress bed. So this is a really comes in a nice box with this vacuum packing. So let me just open this up. So this is basically adding 3 inches comfortable memory foam on top of your mattress. So you can see a very nice design. I really like this design. And this like after taking up the space, you can see this 3 inches one. So really soft material, and this have this Velcro on the bottom with the rubbery thing. So this will hold on your mattress really well. So that will not slip. And this Velcro will go underneath your mattress so that this will not slip anyway. So it's very nice design, keeping everything in mind with a nice fabric on the top. So it's a like a graphene curved and also a ventilated gel and the non-slip bottom. So very nice design, I will say, and the 3 inches really feels nice on the mattress, soft feel. So you can see like on the top, I really like this design, as I always say, and then also like the feel and the total mattress quality. So you can see like the memory foam, taking up the shape and the size. So very nice, comfortable, holds well, very nice design and comfortable mattress topper.